Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Is the Samsung Note 9 worth buying in 2022? Is it the best Note out there so far? Well, let's find out. The Note 9 has glass back and stainless steel frame, which gives it a premium feel, while the IP68 sealing offers water resistance. Designed with Gorilla Glass back, the Samsung Note 9 was crafted to withstand minor bumps and drops while maintaining a slim design. It's over 4 years and there's no major dents. Try to protect your investment though if you want to use them for a long period of time. The Samsung Note 9 is still a premium smartphone that offers a powerful processor. The Exynos 9810 mobile platform boosts its own AI engine, offering awesome performance. With 6GB of RAM, it's enough to take any applications or game you throw at it. It should be okay for daily use and general use as well. There is a 12 megapixel dual lens camera, one for wide angle shots, another one for zoom. The camera, although they are old generation, they still take good pictures with great colors and contrast. Photos produced in low light are also good thanks to the OIS. The same applies to the video, which can capture a lot of video options from 720p all the way to 4K at 60 fps. Autofocus is also fast and accurate. Using this phone for a while, the battery life is okay. I guess the battery has kinda degraded. If you decide to replace the battery, I'm pretty sure battery life will be pretty good, whether you use the phone heavily or moderately. Getting the whole day of battery use won't be a problem, thanks to the Super AMOLED screen. Speaking of the screen, the 6.4-inch AMOLED of the Note 9 screen is still amazing. It's bright, vivid and produces sharp text. The S Pen on the other hand is an accessory that comes with the Note 9. It's a love-hate relationship. You either like it or not. I think it's useful, especially in some situations. Well, with all that being said, this is still a solid device with good build quality, battery life, camera and performance. By the way, the Note 9 also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can listen to your favorite jams. I would recommend the Note 9 if you're on a tight budget. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.